Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Lavash bread and Gobit bread recipe for chicken dinner kebab. 600 grams of water for Gobit bread dough. Leave the water on fire for 1 minute to warm. Add lukewarm water into a large bowl. "10 grams of fresh yeast, 10 grams of salt. Crush the fresh yeast and add it to the water. Add salt and mix until dissolved. One kilogram of flour. Add a third of the flour and mix it. Mix and add the rest of the flour. If the water is too much, add more flour and start kneading on the counter. You will get a soft dough. Now you can divide the dough into equal parts. Prepare 110 grams of dough balls. You can make up to 150 grams. Gobit bread will not be too big. Knead the dough balls and roll them with your hands and add them in a tray to stand. Flour the tray a little and you can cover the dough with a damp cloth. Fire oven for baking Gobit breads. I preheated the oven for 10 minutes to get it warm. Dough looks like they are leavened and slightly swollen after waiting for 1 hour. Add flour to the counter and press the dough with your hand and roll out about 15 centimeters. After shaping all the dough with your hands, expand it a little more with a roller. Use the roller without pressing it to shape the dough. The fire furnace burns like this. Its interior can reach 400 degrees, now 350 degrees. Add the Gobit bread dough to the oven and let it rise for 1 minute. Gobit breads are made in this way. I think you can set the normal home oven to high temperature, but the wood fire flavor is better. Now that Gobit bread is made, we can switch to lavash bread dough. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of milk with the same cup. 4 cups of flour with the same bowl. 10 grams of salt. 1 cup sugar, no kidding, 10 grams of sugar. 10 grams of dry yeast. A little butter will be used, about 30 grams. Add water, milk, yeast, and salt to mixing bowl. Mix until dissolved. Add 1 cup flour and mix. Add 1 more cup of flour and mix again. Add 2 more cups of flour and mix by hand and start kneading. Add the dough on the counter and knead it by pressing. Add some butter to the dough and continue kneading. There will be a dough that is smooth and does not stick to your hands. Divide dough into equal parts, make 85-90 grams of dough balls. Sprinkle flour on the tray, add the dough, cover and wait 1 hour for it to rise. Add flour on the counter after 1 hour. Shape the dough with your hands first, then roll out with a rolling pin 30 centimeters in diameter. You can bake lavash bread in a pan or in the oven. My preference is to bake in the fire oven. The dough is added, and it comes back cooked in 20 to 30 seconds. I think it's very good. You can make this bread in a pan, but can it be the same as the flavor of the fire? Thank you for watching the lavash and Gobit bread making for dinner. I recommend you to watch the recipes for chicken dinner kebab on charcoal fire, hot red sauce and white cold sauce for kebab, which I shared simultaneously with this video. We have reached 300 recipe videos. I always tried to do the best. I recommend you to take a look at the recipes you haven't watched by entering the videos section. Thanks. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.